Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, definitely stay tuned to the rest of the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing another beauty on the budget look, and today we're going to be doing this really cute curly pixie cut wig. You guys, I was so excited about this wig, and as you see, once I took it out the pack, this wig took 2 seconds to put on and maybe another 2 seconds to style. Now you guys, when I put this wig on, I didn't do much to it because I wanted to show you guys how it looks straight out of the pack. So I just kind of, played around with it, but playing around with it, I still just kept it in the state that it came in. But definitely, if you guys get it, you can definitely take a Y2 comb and kind of fluff it up a little bit, which I'm trying to do now because once it's in a pack, it's kind of all smushed down. So I'm just kind of taking my nails and kind of trying to fluff it up a little bit. But overall, I do not change the pattern of it the way it came out the pack. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it, and I'm pretty much done with styling this wig. But you guys definitely stay tuned to my thoughts about this wig and my thoughts to how I like this wig. Okay guys, so you saw me install this short little wig here. So guys, I had to go grab my glasses because I felt like a teacher. I went upstairs and showed my husband this wig, and he's like, oh no baby, you gotta do something with this wig. He told me I pretty much looked it old, and I looked it like a teacher, a science teacher, and a lunch lady. So I had to put my glasses on to mimic that. So yeah, you guys, this little short wig is definitely a role playing wig. You heard me? Yes, I am definitely gonna use this wig to play some roles, okay? But yeah, this wig is definitely different for me. I don't do short too much, but I had to kind of come on here with my glasses to kind of give you guys the image of how this wig look and how it makes me look. I'm loving it. But let me take these glasses off. It's too funny. But yeah, so again, beauty on a budget. Let's lift this up. So yeah, beauty on a budget. Another wig that didn't cost much. I don't know if this wig is too much me, but I'll definitely be playing a role in this wig when I put this little synthetic wig on. It's really cute. I didn't do much to it because I kind of wanted to show you guys when you take it out of the pack how it looks. But you can definitely like comb this thing in and make it more, curly. You can style it to your like. Like I said, I left it the way it is because I kind of wanted to show how it looked when it comes straight out of the pack. And as you can see, this is how it looks when it comes straight out of the pack. But yeah, you guys, I mean, again, you can buy any type of wig you want and make it look presentable. That's all you need to do. Don't be walking out these houses looking all ratchet and whatnot. Like today's wigs are, they much better. So ain't no way, excuse me, ain't no way you should be walking out the house looking a mess. Period. Like you can buy a wig nowadays and just kill it like that. Throw your makeup on, throw a wig on, and bam, you good to go. You gotta dress these wigs up. You can't just be, yeah, you can't be out here looking all ratchet, But yeah, once you dress these wigs up and make them look like something, then I guarantee you, nobody won't even know what you have on your head. You feel me? But yeah, this, again, beauty on a budget, you guys. Everybody ain't got money to spend a whole lot of money on wigs. So yeah, here is another option. I'll put all the information down in the description bar if you want to purchase this wig. Like I said, you can style the wig even more. I just chose not to style it because, again, I just wanted to show you guys how it looked when it came straight out of the pack. And it is a cute wig. I don't know if it's for me, but it's a cute wig. I like it. But yeah, I'll put everything down in the description bar if you want to purchase this wig, you guys. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. And hold on, let me put my glasses back on, my school teacher, and let y'all know I ain't playing with y'all. Yeah, thank y'all guys for watching, and definitely make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Just hit that subscribe button. It's free to do it. Hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely be notified. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for watching.